Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we will study about file operations. There are 6 basic operations which comprise the minimal set of required file operations. First one is creating a file. To create a file, 2 steps are necessary. One is space in the file system must be found for the file, and the second one is an entry for the new file must be made in the directory. Now let us see the next file operation, that is writing a file. To write a file, we must make a system call specifying both the name of the file and the information to be written on the file. The system searches the directory to find the file's location whose name is given. The system must keep a write pointer to the location in the file where the next write is to take place. The write pointer must be updated whenever a write occurs. The next file operation is reading a file. To read from file, we use a system call that specifies the name of the file and where in memory the next block of the file should be put. The directory is searched for the associated entry. The system needs to keep a read pointer to the location in the file where the next read is to take place. Once the read has taken place, the read pointer is updated. See, a process is usually either reading from a file or writing to a file. So the current operation location can be kept as per process current file position pointer. Both the read and write operation will use this same pointer, and it will save space and reduce system complexity. Now let us see the next file operation, that is repositioning within a file. Repositioning within a file need not involve any actual input output. This file operation is also known as file seek. In this operation, directory is searched for the appropriate entry and the current file position pointer is repositioned to a given value. Next file operation is deleting a file. So to delete a file, the directory is searched for the named file. After finding the associated directory entry, all file space is released so that it can be used by other files and the directory entry is erased. Next file operation is truncating a file. This operation erases the contents of a file but keep its attribute. It allows all attributes to remain unchanged except for file length. This operation lets the file to be reset to length 0 and its file space released. So these were the 6 basic file operations. Other common operations include appending new information to the end of an existing file and renaming an existing file.